Hi, welcome to some more quick tips from Cooking In with Joycelyne. So many times I have found that when you buy broccoli that's already cut up or mushrooms that are already cut up, they spoil much quicker because you've got more cut surfaces that are exposed to oxidation. So when you pull out the broccoli, you'll find it's turned dark and that you have to remove it. It's still edible, but you're wasting a lot when you have to cut that off. And with the mushrooms, when they get slimy, that's unedible. It's not healthy, so we have to throw it out. If you buy mushrooms that are whole, they're $1 cheaper for the same quantity that are cut, and they will last longer. And the same thing with broccoli. Just buy the whole piece rather than all these cut up pieces. If you can't use it all at once, it's not a value. And if it spoils here, then we just cut the big stem off and you still have better broccoli that's more usable. So I hope that helps and it'll save you some money. So when you shop, these are some tips for you on Cooking In with Joycelyne.